So our class project, if possible, try to follow along and use the tips I'm showing you in this class on your own sample project. Now this could be something made up that you plan to use in your portfolio later, or it could be a real life project you decide to follow along with. As we go, I'll be showing you the process I've used for some real world projects that I've worked on, but we'll focus particularly on this example for the Orchid, a natural spa and wellness centre. So please make sure you come up with your own fictional brand, or you've got a real world project ready to use so you can actually test and try these techniques as you're learning them. And please don't try to recreate the Orchid or one of the other real world projects I show you, because these are real world clients, so you won't be able to use those examples in your portfolio. Make sure you create something that's unique to you. Now the real goal of this class is to teach you some techniques that you can use to open up different design possibilities. Now you may not use these on every project you work on in future, in fact I'm sure you won't, but definitely for some of your projects you'll see a good fit, and I think these techniques will open up a whole new range of design possibilities for you. So when you're ready, please fire up Adobe Illustrator or similar software, and I'll see you in the first lesson.